Welcome to your Kenworth driver training, where we'll take a quick look at the key features and benefits of your brand new K220 Kenworth. The Kenworth K220 is available as a 6x4, 8x4, 8x6, 10x6 rigid or prime mover truck. 8x4s and 10x4 tandems can be fitted with a lazy axle. Gross combination mass can be rated from 97 tonne up to and over 250 tonne depending on your application and configuration. The truck is available as a day cab with a flat roof, a huge 2.8 metre cabin with an aero roof, or a 2.3 metre cab with your choice of flat or aero roof sleepers. And there's a range of inclusions and interior options to suit your needs. Engine horsepower ratings from 485 to over 600 horsepower through the Cummins X15 range of engines. For the perfect driveline pairing, a choice of manual gearbox or automated transmissions are available. The electrical system of the Kenworth K220 is a vehicle multiplexy system, or VMUX, which basically means all of your vehicle's operating systems are linked by a communication system called CAN bus. The CAN bus, or Controlled Area Network, is like a phone network that enables constant communication. CAN bus allows for a reduction in wire harness modules and electrical hardware in a monitoring system that is smarter and quicker than ever before. Information sensed by one part can be quickly shared with another. Messages from your engine to your transmission enables a smooth gear change, or your autonomous emergency braking system activates the anti-lock brakes to ensure your vehicle can stop safely, just to name a couple. In the K220 there are two information networks for the powertrain, braking systems and all the safety systems. Speaking of safety, it is at the forefront of the design of the K220. As a standard fit we have anti-lock braking, ABS prevents wheel lock-up, reduces stopping distance and jackknifing, and allows steering control in harsh braking events. Drag torque control prevents the driven wheels from compression locking on slippery surfaces. Automatic traction control. ATC will prevent wheel spin under acceleration when the torque exceeds the tyre's ability to stick to the road. And the electronic stability program helps to restore vehicle stability through the use of ABS, ATC and steering direction in the prevention of rollovers and jackknifing. Depending on your requirements, you can also select the active cab entry steps, where the cab entry steps extend out for easier cab access. Hill start assist prevents the truck rolling backwards on steep grades. Trailer response management. This provides electronic brake actuation for the trailer to improve braking and reduce stopping distances. And blind spotter side object detection system. This alerts the driver if another road user or object is beside the vehicle during turning or lane change manoeuvres. Our integrated active safety systems with Wingman Fusion includes active cruise control with braking, highway departure warning with braking and lane departure warning. The collision mitigation system includes stationary vehicle braking, autonomous emergency braking and multi-lane autonomous emergency braking, and works with the truck's electronic stability program. Australian Kenworth trucks are purpose-built. Each truck is designed and manufactured for its intended task and to individual customer requirements. To explore the wide range of customised options, visit kenworth.com.au or call into your local Kenworth dealership.